I'm Susan De Candio. I bought my car about 4 years ago from Mercedes of Jacksonville on Atlantic. It was a used car. It was a dealer loaner, but it had hardly any miles at all on it. I love it, and it's driven beautifully and done well for me. It's really pretty, so you can see the inside. I like the light color in there. And as I said, the car's was doing beautifully, and all of a sudden, the other Sunday, I went out to start the car, and it wouldn't let me put it in gear. I couldn't even get it out of the garage. I had to have it towed to Mercedes. It ended up that there was a huge electrical issue in the whole car, which I panicked about because it was terribly expensive. What I want to say is that Mercedes of Jacksonville did an amazing job for me of helping me out. Because I bought the car from them, they worked out, they paid for all of the parts themselves. It was not under warranty any longer, but they paid for all the parts. All I had to do was pay for the labor, which was less than half of what they originally had said it was going to cost, and I wasn't sure I could even get it fixed. They were absolutely outstanding and upright, really, helping us with this. They said it was a real fluke, one of those very rare things that ever happens. This is my third Mercedes. I've never had any problems, and I'm thrilled with Mercedes of Jacksonville. They did the right thing, and I appreciate all they did, especially Dalton, who is my service agent. Thank you.